Alright, welcome back. I'm just going to give you a quick video on my little setup when I go outside, what I use now. I've got something else coming later on in the month, but I'll show you that later. So what I'll do is show you how I set things up and see how it goes. So I'll start with, first off is the hand grip. This is a waterproof floating grip. What that does, if you lose it in the water, that'll float up, hopefully. So anyway, I use that as a grip because it's not much bigger than my hand, so I'll leave it like that. What I use then, I've got one of these. It's a dual bracket. And what this does is you can hold a light, microphone, something else, another camera, and the camera goes onto here like that. So what that'll do is go on there. So if I put that on there like that, just quickly turn this on. So I know it's a bit loose, but that'll be different when I put the camera on it. Then the microphone, I'll put that on there. Turn this down here. This is a Rode mic, by the way. Video mic. Rode video mic. I've got a link in the description where you can get hold of one of these. If I put that onto, it's a little bit stiff, which is a good thing because you don't want it springing out. That'll keep it from bouncing around. Then you got your camera. Now this is a Sony fdr-x3000 camera, and this will go onto here, and hopefully it should. Let's have a look what's going on here. There you are. So you just attach that to that, and that'll tighten up on there. Just get this back on there so it mates with that one, and put that square. Make sure that's tight. So there we go. This little drawer opens up, and what you do is stick your mic into that. I can do it that way, and that's on there like that. So the microphone's directly leaded into the camera, and there you go. You're pretty much set. That's all you need is a decent grip. See, that's quite stable now. Decent grip. Camera's set steady. You can turn it around if you want to. You can quickly, easily see if it's recording it, although this has got lights. 1, 2, 3. 3 lights, sorry, one on the back there. And you can, off you go, you're ready to travel. As long as you got your batteries and your video SD cards, recording, backup batteries. I've ordered another tripod. Sorry, a hand grip stroke tripod. That'll be coming soon to give this a little bit of an upgrade for when I'm out, like all day walks or wherever I'm going. So I won't have to worry about bringing numerous amount of batteries with me. And if I want to do a longer video rather than maybe 3/4 of an hour than an hour, if I wanted to do just use the whole card up, I can not worry about the battery power. So that's it really. So that is my setup. Not sure what you think of it. I've had this. I'll give you a link to how you can purchase this. You can purchase a bracket. I might skip the bracket, the grip, because I'll be having another grip soon, and that one would be better with this setup. So you can have the bracket to hold these two, a link to the microphone, and you should be good to go. No wind noise, well, not as minimum wind noise as you can make on that there. And that's it. So what do you reckon? The only thing with this one is a bit of a, can you hear that noise? Where the rubber kind of moves kind of thing, so that annoys me. I've got to be careful with that. That's one of the reasons why I'm getting another smoother hand grip for it. And that's it. Ready for action. Alright, just a quick one for today, and hopefully there'll be another video coming soon. before I go, can you do us a favour? Can you do us, click subscribe if you haven't? Click like on this video, make a comment. I always try and comment back. In fact, I don't think I've missed a comment yet. If I'm wrong in any way, or you find a better way to do something, let me know. That's the only way this thing works. YouTube encourages people to comment, like, dislike, so the whole community kind of gets going. And if I've inspired you to create your own setup, let me know as well. And I can tell you, like I say, I can tell you where I can get all these from, so you can have an identical one to this, and you'll be ready to go on your walks, do your YouTube walks, your vlogging, anything you want. So until next time, take care, bye.